Okay, now one way, like I said, of doing handles on mugs is an extruded handle. I've cut a little piece of that extruded length that I made. You take it, you usually want to get your sponge and just wipe it down a little bit. Make it nice and smooth. Take one of your mugs that you've made. This is a really good time to go ahead and clean up the bottom of the mug. And either write your name in it or make your mark with a stamp. And the next thing you want to do is go ahead and score the side of the mug where your top of your handle is going to be. Get it nice and goopy. And then score where the bottom of the mug handle is going to go. And then do the same thing on the handle itself. Score the outside of the top and the inside of the bottom. The reason for that is because you're going to put it on this way. Just press it into the body of the mug. Hold the handle, the top of it, so that this part stays nice and round. And then press the bottom in. And then you can just smooth that in with your fingers and your sponge until it's reached the level of smoothness that you like. Some potters like to just mash it on and leave it, and others, like me, like to get it smooth, looking like it's incorporated into the body of the piece itself. And then, once you've got it on there, you just shape it, and there we go. We have a mug with a handle.